Unraveling Mysteries, Understanding Wheels Within Wheels. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, wheels within wheels. This expression is rich in meaning and has a fascinating origin. Stick around as we explore its significance and how you can use it in everyday English to sound more like a native speaker. Wheels within wheels is an idiomatic expression that refers to a complex or difficult situation with multiple, interconnected layers or aspects. Imagine a large machine where smaller wheels operate within larger ones, all contributing to the machine's overall function. This imagery captures the essence of situations where there is more than meets the eye, suggesting depth and complexity beneath the surface. The phrase, wheels within wheels, has a biblical origin, coming from the book of Ezekiel in the Old Testament. Ezekiel describes a vision of a chariot with wheels intersecting each other, symbolizing the complexity and interconnectivity of divine plans and the universe. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into secular language to describe situations of complexity and intricacy, far beyond its original religious context. Wheels within wheels can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few examples to help you understand its application. Discussing political situations. The political scene in that country is like wheels within wheels, with various parties and interests intersecting. In business contexts, this merger is a case of wheels within wheels, involving more negotiations and stakeholders than initially apparent. Personal relationships. Their friendship is like wheels within wheels, built on years of shared experiences and secrets. Understanding synonyms and related expressions can broaden your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few. A complex situation, multi-layered, intricate, a plot within a plot. These expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context, offering you flexibility in your English conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing expression, wheels within wheels. It's a powerful way to describe complex and layered situations, enriching your English vocabulary and helping you express nuanced ideas more effectively. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to use this expression in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.